So I step it up a couple of gears, right? And I'm getting closer, and I'm getting closer, and I'm almost there. Then wouldn't you know it? So we're flying full tit down this bank, right? And I'm too close to stop now. I couldn't stop even if I wanted to. And I don't know where the we are, but it must be some kind of mountain range, because once I start to pop, it seems to last forever. And brother, I swear to you, this is like nothing I ever felt before. It's like my heart is leaping out of my throat and my brain is exploding in my head. Then everything goes completely white. There's this bolt of electricity charging through every part of your body, going stronger and stronger, faster and faster, till it's going so fast it becomes this beautiful low hum. And time stands still for a moment, just for your pleasure. And when I look back, it's like they were never there. Almost like the whole thing never happened.
Yeah, almost, huh?
I'm making it my business to try and stay on top of what's going on.
Did Kitty ask you to keep that information to yourself?
You should go up there. I know you don't pay me to tell you what to do, but this is important. Here comes the cavalry.
Mr. Green? Yeah.
Take the plane.
Thanks. What's the problem? Won't start. You tortured my son, you prick.
Oh, fuck.
Harry, please. We were in a war. No one was on a rampage. Road just got in the way. It's nothing personal.
There's now, mate.
Don't do this, Harry. What do you want to know? Shit. You must want to know something. Harry, I've got kids.
Then you know how he feels.
I had no choice. If I didn't do it, they'd come for mine, you understand? Please.
Mate, you made your bed. Got to lie in it.
No! Harry! Please! Please! Harry! Come on, Coco. Up! Here! Coco! Here! Up here! Come on! Up here! There you go! Up! Up!
She's not a wolfhound, mate. They've got to be a lot smaller.
Sorry. My first set of dog stairs.
I'm relying on you, mate. I need them perfect.
Okay. I'm sorry. Can I have 1 minute? It's important. Yeah. I'm not here to try and make you believe me.
All right.
You know, earlier tonight I was actually hunting for my medical records so that I could show you, and prove that I really am sick. And then I thought, what's the point? You know, maybe you're right. Maybe there are some things that are just too broken ever to be fixed.
Yeah, but you did that. You're the one that broke it.
I know that. And from now on, I will stay out of your life. I was selfish coming back, trying to make up for look. Anyway, you have turned out every bit the way I thought you would. I know you think you don't know me, but I feel I know you. And your mother, she did a stunning job. I'm so proud of you. You're a good man. Goodbye, Jake. $1,100. That's a tall bed.
Well, the idea was to get a better view, but Coco can't make it up anymore.
You want me to make a dog bed?
I want a set of dog stairs, obviously.
Oh, that's a relief. Thought it might have been something odd.
No, it's a present for Kitty, right? I need to soften her up a little.
Coco, here, up here, come on. Up here, there you go, up.
She's not a wolfhound, mate. They've got to be a lot smaller.
Sorry. My first set of dog stairs.
I'm relying on you, mate. I need them perfect.